Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today I'm going to share with you two types of immunity boosting tea which is going to help you fight the coronavirus and also the other diseases during this pandemic. So the reason we decided to show you this video is because during this time, the most important thing for us to stay healthy is our immunity. So we need something to boost that immunity so that we can fight this virus and be healthy and happy during the pandemic. So let's begin. First, I'm going to be pouring 2 cups of water. Then I'll be adding 2 cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon, and I'm going to be adding 1 inch of chopped or crushed ginger. I'm gonna let it boil, and now it started boiling pretty good, so I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of tea powder, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm gonna stir it well, and then I'm gonna leave it to boil for a while. And now it's boiling good, so I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk, and I'm gonna stir it well again. Now it's done. The reason we decided to show you this tea is because this tea has a lot of benefits. It acts as an antioxidant, it reduces blood pressure, it also helps to fight cancer and other chronic diseases, it helps to solve your digestive problems, it helps you get relief from sore throat and coughs, it reduces high sugar levels and helps you in weight loss, strengthens immunity, and a lot more. I think the tea is done right now, so I will be turning off the gas, and I'll be pouring them in these cups. I'll be taking the filter and I will be carefully pouring the tea in the cups. This tea is really easy to make and it's really healthy and beneficial, and no matter how many times you drink it, it'll be delicious. It'll slowly but surely give results. Now let's make the next tea, that will be our turmeric ginger tea. So the ingredients we need to this are half a lemon, so I already extracted the juice from it. Then we need jaggery, 1 inch cinnamon, then we need 1 inch ginger, then we need black pepper, then we need turmeric powder. You can either grind it at your home by yourself or you can already buy powdered turmeric. And then we need 2 cups of water. So I'm gonna start with the turmeric first. I'm going to be grinding it by myself now. Okay, it's done. Almost done. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it and I'm gonna show you the difference between powdered turmeric and the turmeric you powdered at your home. So you can see there are more particles present in the one which you crushed by yourself. And now that's done, I'm going to be crushing some black pepper. Okay, since that's done, now I'm going to be crushing some cinnamon. But before that, I'm going to be putting water on boiling. I'm going to be pouring 2 cups of water. Since it started boiling, I'll be adding the turmeric and I'll let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll be adding black pepper. I'm gonna give it a good stir. Then I'm gonna be crushing the cinnamon. Okay, now I think it's done, so I'll be putting it. Then I'll be crushing the ginger. Okay, now I'll be putting the ginger. Now I'll be cutting off some jaggery. It totally depends on you, like how much sweet do you want it to be. Then I'll be putting 2 tablespoons of jaggery. And then I'm gonna be adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon. This is also depending on you, on how sour do you want it to be. I'll be pouring some tea. Now it's completed, but before that let me remind you the jaggery and also the amount of lemon is totally depending on you, on how sweet or sour you want the tea to be. This tea has amazing immune boosting properties that will help you stay healthy and fit and happy during pandemic times. I suggest to take this 2 times a day. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.